You know what this means.
Unboxing.
That's right. The
Keto
Box. On this episode of BoosCruize.
Hi, I'm Jarrell.
And I'm David.
I am 34 years old.
Future David here, just cutting in because Equip is having a 30% off sale. I'm obsessed with the Equip products. Again, I use their apple cider vinegar. They have joint support. They have immunity boost. Check down below in the description box, and you can get 30% off. So back to the Keto Box.
So, one of our favorite times of the month. We love our Keto Box. This is low carb, under 5 net carbs, usually very full size. It can be meals or snacks that come in this box. And just check down below in the description box if you would like a discount on your box. You can cancel it anytime. Usually our promo code is BoosCruize. On this one, it is David Singletary. Again, check down below if you are interested, and we're gonna see what's in this fall box. This is the October box.
October box.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh, yes, that's right.
The theme song. I wasn't saying anything. I'm like, are you gonna do that?
Oh, no, you're right. I'm sorry. Can't do everything. So, it's time for BoosCruize. BoosCruize reviews.
Something different.
That was good.
In between
a little spice.
Yeah, a little riffing.
Just a little, it's like he did a rap.
Work in progress.
Yeah.
Anyways, let's get to the Keto Box.
Here we go. We're gonna let you guys see it before we do.
Insert
What's inside?
shining stars coming out.
Keto
Let me get a
Box. Yeah, I know. We need some graphics. Oh my gosh! I just ordered these on my own. Okay. I'm sorry, I got really excited. I'm gonna pull these out because I literally just ordered these on my own because I'm obsessed.
Yes.
Guys, Chalk Zero.
Like that.
Oh yeah,
Coupons.
Always coupons and things like that. These Chalk Zero, I literally just got my box of these. Chalk Zero has the best white chocolate peanut butter cups, but these are chocolate pumpkins.
And has pumpkins on them, so thin.
They're so cute.
They're
They're so thin. Like they're like these tiny little pumpkins, and they're 1 net carb per pumpkin, 20 calories, 2 grams of fat, and they are sweetened with monk fruit. Yes, monk fruit. So I love these. I already have these, full disclosure.
You have these exact ones?
Yeah, they're individually packaged. They're in the little candy jar that I keep pulling out that are like little pumpkins.
I haven't checked.
They're
nice. I like
super cute.
Yeah, they're very cute.
I love that.
Alright, let's see here. What is this? These are protein puffs. We had these last month, I think.
I love
They were really
these.
good. They were just cheese last time, I think. Just cheese, like cheddar cheese or
Were they
something.
cheddar, nacho cheese, something?
Nacho
I think
cheese
they
or
were
something
cheese,
like
yeah.
that. But this is sour cream and onion. This is 2 net
We're so excited.
carbs. What's
This
in
Smart
there?
Face snack. Yeah.
Yeah, so the ingredients are milk protein isolate, natural sour cream and onion seasoning. Yes, basically. I mean, everything else is like, lactic acid, dry milk,
Right.
onion powder, things like that. But yes, this is very.
We love
very
them.
good.
I think
We
they're
liked
starting
these
to
last
sell
month.
those at CVS.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
we did a taste test last month.
I think we
Very
did.
good.
There's something. Oh, okay. This is what's really heavy because this is a heavy box. So these are palmini. These are palmini lasagna noodles. They're in the. If you guys watch our cooking things, you've seen me make these. Yes, we've made these. I still have some of these left. They're a fantastic way. Don't make my mistake. Boil
We didn't
these.
boil them, so it had a little crunch to it.
Right.
When you don't boil.
Boil the lasagna first so it gets a softer texture, and these are amazing. These are 4 grams of carbs, but that's total carbs. Net carbs, these are 2 net carbs. So excited about these. And again, hello, this is like super expensive, and a lot of people can't find these in their grocery store.
Probably make a
You can make a big
pan of
lasagna. You can make a full lasagna out of this. So thank you. All right.
Okay, I'm gonna do what I did before in the last video. Fill around What's this?
Probably the one thing you can.
Professor Nuts Peanut Butter Reimagined.
What did you call me?
Oh, well, this is basically just peanut butter.
Peanut butter
Professor
Reimagined,
Nuts.
though. It's Reimagined. What's the
old school?
You gotta
Reimagined peanut
get in
butter.
there.
I'm getting in there. Let's see. Double roasted runner peanuts, corn fiber, grapeseed extract, sea salt, stevia plant extract, organic sunflower, and you have to stir before. What do you do with this?
I don't know.
stir
What makes it
before-
reimagined? World's lowest calorie, all natural peanut butter.
But I see some instructions to stir.
For the best consistency, it's just because it's natural peanut butter. Any natural peanut butter, you gotta stir before. But this has organic safflower, less than. Okay, so you're okay.
No, I
see
can't. Those peanuts, right?
Stevia, yeah.
I can't eat it.
Well,
It has
yeah,
peanuts.
because you are.
But-
Yeah. But so this has 200 calories, 600 fat. I'm trying to see the carbs, 6.47 grams, but there's 4 grams of fiber, so 2 net carbs.
I mean,
So,
it's good.
and I also like that it's so cute. You can like take it with you.
He can dip whatever he wants in there.
I'm into it, Professor
You like
Nuts.
peanut butter.
I
I
am
used
obsessed with anything peanut butter. So, let me see here. I want to go for this because I have not seen. Okay, Slim Fast Keto Fat Bombs. They're Fat Bomb Snack Crisp. They're little fat bombs they have a peanut butter one and they have one that is like a caramel turtle and stuff. Their fat bombs are fantastic, so it's exciting to see them. These look like basically parm crisp, cheddar cheese. Yeah. So good on you. One gram of total carbs. These would be great. I assume these are probably sold in a big box and these are just like take and go or put in like a lunch box. So that's awesome.
I've seen these at Walmart, I believe.
Yes.
Okay, let me see.
All right.
Laguna Salt Company Pink Himalayan sea salt.
Oh, I love that.
They'll give you a nice portion too.
That's a big portion. And pink sea salt is like the only salt that we use.
Yeah, it is. We have so much of it. So more to add to the collection. You've seen Himalayan pink salt. You've seen it and everything. So great. Thank you.
Okay. These are pumpkin spice cookie baking mix.
Pumpkin anything.
I love pumpkin anything. All you need for this, one tablespoon of softened butter, a fourth a cup of pureed pumpkin, and the cookie mix. This is made with almond flour or erythritol. They are 2 grams of carbs, 2 net carbs per cookie. Love this company. They make these amazing fat bombs. We've gotten these before. I love anything pumpkin spice, so boom.
Alright, my turn. Let's see. Boop. This is a Keto Fit Chocolate Bar. Nutrition bar, you guys. Gluten-free. 3 gram net carbs, it says.
3 grams of net carbs. And it's chocolate?
It's chocolate. And let's see here. The ingredients are organic almond butter, chicory root fiber, cacao butter, or cocoa butter, cacao, whatever. Grass-fed collagen, organic cacao chocolate chips, MCT oil powder, and MCT oil fiber, sunflower, lecithin, erythritol, and organic coconut oil. Okay, I don't know if I can have it since it has a little bit of sunflower in it, but
it looks
good, and you like bars.
Oh, this is Love Good Fats. They have these new chewy nutty bars. Actually, I had a few of these sent to me, and I will say these are delicious. This is a salted caramel one. It's 1 gram of sugar. The one kind of caveat and downside to this is 4 net carbs for this one bar. That's kind of a lot, and they are very filling though. I will say they are very filling, and they're small. We got one of these in the last.
last one.
This came in the KetoKrate as well because we just did KetoKrate. Like these you can't go wrong. There's like 1 net carb, and they are the original one. This is from Think Jerky. This is grass-fed beef, so if that's important to you, that's awesome. Great quality.
What's this?
I don't know.
This is
I'm intrigued.
0 sugar. It's Carolina barbecue sugar sauce.
We got excited. I didn't know it was barbecue.
I didn't know what it
either.
was. I was looking at the back. I'm like, what is this? But it's barbecue sauce.
Okay, zero sugar. I love a good barbecue sauce. We are this is Lily's, it looks like? Yeah, Lily's.
Lily's, yeah.
We are usually true to G. Hughes. That's our favorite low carb keto barbecue sauce, and I'm excited to try another one.
Yeah, it says we love it on pork, brisket, and smoked chicken.
I think this would be amazing. Like there's so many times when you go to restaurants and stuff and you order your like bunless burger or like whatever, and you don't have ketchup, or because they don't have sugar-free ketchup or keto-friendly. This is such a amazing portable way to do it. I love this little situation.
It's portable. Yeah.
This would be great. Just like or on
I
vegetables.
wonder if they sell it in a big.
I'm sure they do. It looks
I've
like they
never
have a
seen
bottle
this
on
brand
there.
before.
Never seen it. Don't even know where they sell it.
We'll try it and see.
This is called the Fatty Bar.
I've seen that before.
Fatty Bar. Okay, so this has 146 calories, 14 carbs, 11 fiber. Okay, so it's 3 net carbs. Let's see, 11 grams of fat, and this is the coconut and macadamia, keto friendly. So, all right, I'm into that. I do like I said, I love a macadamia. Oh, last thing, babe.
Last thing is sugar-free chocolate drink mix. Well, chocolate latte. Well, no, chocolate drink mix.
Yeah, this is from Pure
Organic. And you usually see them in the store. They're in like little droppies, like things like that.
Yeah, they have their own version
but
of
you
that.
can use it in milk or milk alternative or water if you want to. But yeah, this is really good. It's a nice size.
And you can just put like really good with like almond milk. That's a really good way of doing it.
So we do like this.
Guys, look how much came in the box this month. I can't stress enough, especially things like this.
Are we trying something?
Oh yeah, we have to try something. But especially things like this,
This
full
is
size
big.
this,
And the lasagna.
full size this. A great box, a great value. Like, you would pay a lot, trust me, you would not only pay a lot more, but you also have to pay for shipping.
Yeah.
You can maybe find this in your grocery store, like things like this, but a lot of this you're paying for shipping, and you can get it in this box. That is one of the values, and you can try all of these things. So, okay.
And we're gonna try.
What are we gonna try, babe? What do you want to pick?
Let's see, I'll try the protein.
I figured I was gonna say, we love those protein pops!
Last month they did us right.
They did us all the way right.
Again, with the sour cream and onion.
I love sour cream and onion. Oh!
Let's see though. They
Oh
like
my.
Cheeto balls. The Cheeto
Yeah.
puffs.
They're like little, oh my, okay. This is what they look like. They are very crunchy and light. No, they're good.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Very good. Very snackable.
They're so, that's what I was gonna say, snackable. They're light. They don't have as much flavor as the cheese ones.
No. They're not as sour cream and oniony as I would want them to be.
But
they give me all the feels of a good snack.
it's all like, yeah, like this with like alongside a sandwich with some keto bread. Perfect. Or in a movie, when we go back to movies. Or movies at home.
Right.
This is one of those, or a car trip, like a road trip. Love this. All right, guys. So that is the entire keto box for this week.
Or a month.
Oh, excuse me. Yeah, this month. Oh my gosh. Yes. We'll be back next month with another box. Make sure to check down below. We're coming back with some more videos. Just in our everyday lives. We've been super busy this week, but we love you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for, we're well beyond 7K now. So
I tried. I was trying to be. I'll put those down.
don't forget to follow us at BoosCruize, at BoosCruize.
See, because you're worth it.
We love you. Bye, guys.